Hello everyone, this is Vanchika and I hope you all are fine. So without getting delay, let's start the video. So our chapter name is some basic concepts of chemistry. So our first topic is what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure and properties of matter and also the changes through which it undergoes. So by studying chemistry, we can study about the composition, structure and its properties and also about the matter through which it undergoes. So the question arises, what is matter? Now matter, it is defined as anything which occupies space and has mass and the presence of which can be felt is known as matter. Anything that exists on this earth, example plastic, paper, wood, cloth or a single atom, that is made up of matter. So now we will study about classifications of matter. So classification of matter is divided into two groups, that is physical classification and chemical classification. Physical classification is divided into three groups, that is solid, liquid and gas. Chemical classification is divided as pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are divided as elements and compounds. Elements are divided as metals, non-metals and metalloids. Compounds are divided as organic and inorganic. Mixtures are divided as homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So now we will study about each element in detail. So first we will study about physical classification. Solid, it has fixed shape and volume and it has strong intermolecular forces of interaction. So as we can see in the picture, the molecules of solid are interact with each other. Next is liquid. It has fixed volume but no fixed shape and also it has less intermolecular forces of interaction between the molecules. So as we can see in the picture, the molecules of the liquid are far away from each other due to less intermolecular forces of interaction. So next is gas. Then it neither possesses definite volume nor shape due to negligible force of interaction. As we can see in the picture, the molecules of the gas are very far away from each other. So next we will study about chemical classification. Element is a pure substance that contain only one kind of particle, that may be atom or molecules. Then examples of element is iron, carbon and sulfur. Next is types of elements. First one is metals. They are good conductor of electricity, lustrous, malleable and ductile, example iron. Next is non-metals. They are poor conductor of electricity, non-lustrous, example sulfur. Next is metalloids. They possess both characteristics of metals and non-metals, example antimony or bismuth. Next is compounds. Compounds are pure substances containing more than one kind of element or atom, example carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. So next we will study about types of compounds. Though there are two types, organic compounds containing carbon are called organic compounds, example CO2. Next is inorganic compounds. Compounds containing two or more elements, they are obtained from rocks and minerals, are called inorganic compounds, example borax and gypsum. Next we will study about mixtures. A material containing two or more elements in any proportion is called mixture. Its properties are the properties of its constituent. So the properties of the mixture depends upon its constituent which are mixed in any proportion. So next we will study about types of mixtures. First one is homogeneous, that is which consists of one phase, example mixture of gases, that is carbon dioxide, oxygen and sulfur dioxide, all the three are in gas phase, that's why it is homogeneous. Next is heterogeneous mixtures. It is that which consists two or more phases, example ice in water. In this example, ice is in solid phase and water is in liquid phase. So two different phases are mixed together, that's why it is heterogeneous. So today in this video we have covered basic topics of this chapter. Next topics we will cover in the upcoming videos. So if you like my video, so don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified about my videos. So thanks for watching.